Hey everyone, my name is Jose and I go by Joe Engineer on Instagram and other social media. Welcome to my channel. Here we will mainly be covering the repair and restoration of my 1983 air-cooled Porsche 911 SC. That is my childhood dream car that I was lucky enough to be able to purchase a few years ago. And most of the content here will be in the form of DIY instructional repair videos for the G-Body 911, so that you can see how easy it is to work on these cars and to be able to motivate you to work on your own 911 if you have one, or in case you ever wanted to own one of these cars but maybe were afraid to because of the fear of maintenance costs. And my goal is to show everyone how easy it is to work on these vehicles. And I firmly believe that as the price of these cars go up, that the average person should be able to buy one if they've always wanted one, and also be able to do most of their own repairs themselves. And it is a very easy, very fun experience. And I think that everyone should be able to enjoy these awesome sports cars of historical significance. So if this is the kind of thing that you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.